I'm Brad. I'm the Director of Business Continuity Planning, and I work in the healthcare industry. And just completed the course with Amar. He's a fantastic presenter, probably one of the best I've had. Crammed a lot of information into a short period of time. Very impressed with the course, particularly the materials. I think that Amar's presentation of diagrams and the kind of things that are normally very boring, he was able to draw out a lot of participation from us and really presented the material in a way that was easy to digest, which I appreciate very much.